Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, on off Bluetooth, open settings, click on connections. Here you will see Bluetooth. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search. Sorry, go back, click on three lines, turn on show system apps, click on OK, search Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off power saving. Again, open settings. Scroll down. Click on battery. Here you will see power saving. And if you want to turn off power saving, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, power saving turn off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.